Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am filming another video to make a quick and easy card. And again, I'm using the Healing Hugs. I am in love with this rose, and I feel like all the sentiments are great. When you have someone, a loved one that is going through some illness. So I feel like I don't have a lot of these cards, so I am stocking up on those, because it's always nice to send a card, especially someone who's going through some rough weather, that you care and that you're thinking of them. So anyway, so this is the one that I am using again. And so the paper that I'm using today is soft seafoam, and this is 5.5 by 8.5. Then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. Then I have a piece of Design Series paper, and this one is the with textures, I believe. Hold on. Yeah, with textures Design Series paper. And what is great is that during July we have a promotion where you have buy 3 get 1 free. So this is one of those papers that is participating on that promotion. So definitely something that you want to look at. So and this square is 2.5 by 2.5. And then I have just a scratch paper, so to do some of the stamping. So let's just start with that. I'm gonna go ahead and give me 1 second here. Yes, here it is. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my scrap papers, and using the soft seafoam, I'm gonna be stamping 2 of these. And see how it looks? I mean, the same stamp makes one darker than the other one. It's pretty cool because it gives that real texture image, so I'm very liking a lot of that. The other one is gonna be on Blush and Bright, and so I'm gonna go ahead and ink my rose. And again, you're gonna tap just to make sure you have enough ink everywhere, and you're just gonna stamp it. You press firmly, do not rock it, just press firmly. And voila, you have it here. And again, you see how it looks. It looks very realistic. There's some areas that will look darker than others, but that's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. And so, with the magic of the TV, I have already fussy cut them. So here they are. So here's my rose, and here are my leaves. Now this one's, let me just start assembling this. Well, not really, because I still want to probably do some more stamping. So what I have in mind now is I'm going to be using like a glue dot just to have these ones like so, because I want this one here and there. So let's just put some glue dots. Here it is. So I'm going to be putting, see if I have it here. I'm going to be putting it like so. And then let's just add the other one as well. And again, I'm just using glue dots. I added here, put it right there. And then just so I know exactly where I want it, and then press. So that's how it will look. Now, I want to have my sentiment here as well. So this one will go here, and so I'm thinking the sentiment should go here. So I'm going to be using Early Espresso. And we're going to go and put it right here. I mean, I love that Stampin' Up! Now is coordinating a lot of the fonts, because it looks really cool. And now I'm also going to bring scratch paper here, and I want to put, using again the soft, I want to put another leaf of this one, so I'll probably put it somewhere here. And I'm gonna put another one, because this one will go here. Another one here. So let's just take that one. And like so. Let's just see. So, yes. You see that? Yes. And let me see if I need to redo that. You cannot really see this one, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and do another one of those, probably more towards this area. Because I really wanted to see it more. Yes, that looks much better. Okay. So, I'm going to close this one. Let's start gluing everything. I'm going to be using this nail. Alright, and then for this section, I'm going to be using dimensionals. Let me see. So I'm going to be putting one on each of these so they know they stay glued. Then I'll put one more there, and that should do it. See that? Yes, I think that's how it would look. But before I do that, let me just glue that section as well to this. So the cardstock, my card base, I'm going to be folding it in half as regularly. And this will give you an A2 card. Now this one, I always use my bone folder because I get a better fold. So don't forget about that. And then I'm going to be putting this one down to my card. And it's time for me to replace. So hold on. Well, let's just use right now. I still have some of the fast fuse, so let's just still use this one in the meantime, just to keep things running here. And then I'm going to be putting. Oh, and you know what? It would be really nice if I add a little bit of this. So let's just put a little bit here. And let's just add. No, I'm not liking at this. This is all right. There we go. I feel like that one will look better. Let's see how this one looks. This one might be too long. So let's just look at that. And this one is too short, so let's just do that. And let's just do that. Much better, don't you think? Yes. Now I feel like this one is too long, so let's just shorten it a little bit. And I might cut some at the end. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna let it go like so. Yes. Now, I don't like when it starts doing its own thing, you know? I'm gonna just make sure this one goes. There we go. Much better. Yes, much better now. I know sometimes I could be very anal about those things. You know. I don't know. It's the little things, right? Anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and put it like so. And here we go. And I'm probably, well, I'm gonna leave it there. I think it looks okay. And here it is. So here's the card for today. You can see it's really simple. Since I have my little pearls, I will as well use some of the pearls, since I already have them here. So I'll use that, like one there. Oh, I don't know what happened with that one. And I'll put another one here. Oh, and maybe a third one there, you know. Sometimes I feel like I'm catching them. There we go. So it has a little bit of the pearls, a little bit of that twine. And this twine, I forgot to say, but this one is the silver and petal pink. But I really like how it looks. So, what do you think? Do you like it? I hope you do. So anyway, if you like this video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget about my ordering incentive, where you get a card kit in the mail when you order using the monthly hostess code. So go to my blog, Creating with Ali, and every single post will have the hostess code of the month. That way, when you place an order with me, you get a card kit to make 4 cards. Also, if your order is $50 or more, then you also get the accessory of the month. Now, all the card kits are sent the following month because it's a monthly incentive. But I'll always send them. So thank you so much, and I appreciate your time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.